So after Bryan locked the keys in my car while it was running to cool it down.
It's nice and cool inside now, isn't it?
Right.
Not needed. But now we're going to degrease the cars, park them in my backyard, and then we'll start the painting process.
Dear God, help us all.
Simple green.
So there is only supposed to be one spring.
Why? Cheapness? So we're in Otis's Nissan. It's all cleaned up right now. Actually looks pretty good. We have a gangster something or other following us. Oh. Did you replace the suspension at all?
Yeah.
Oh.
Before it used to be like.
Yeah.
Bryan's car's so fucked.
Yeah, he's not gonna do well.
Sorry, I just wanted to make sure my car is aligned properly. His car smells like gas.
So your seatbelt doesn't work?
Let's not talk about this.
Oh my God. So Bryan, how are you feeling about your Mercedes now that it's on the road?
Excellent. It's so comfortable.
Let's go through here. Wow, that was a very long gear. Oh, look, speed bumps.
What speed bumps?
I like that you have a gold Mercedes symbol there, but you can beat him to it. Floor it. So they just poured Zepp on the cars. Bryan broke his bumper on the way over here. Oh God, the scent's coming from here. Ugh. Yeah, I just tripped over that big yellow sign. I didn't see it. Good. And then you're just gonna let it sit on here and then wash it off, right?
Right. I don't know.
Oh my God, what's coming off the front?
I don't know.
What is that? It's like a yellow scum.
Damn it. Did some note around of it?
Here. Yes. I like the fog lights, by the way. The ones you added. Oh, look at the stuff just coming off of it. Just using some degreaser on the car before we paint it. Hopefully it'll take off some of the mold.
Yes, headed for a little extra there.
Oh my God.
Look at my clear coat.
Wow. You can spray the clear coat off of it. Did you guys bring sanding stuff? Good. So much. All right, they got the cars clean after countless hours.
Countless hours.
AKA 30 minutes.
So much water has been put on this car. Yeah, I think I need to redo the grill.
Yeah, you might have to, but you're going to be painting the car anyways. Otis is just getting all the soap off his. Then we're gonna head back to the house and paint. All right, so we're sanding the cars down.
Kill me. It's hot out here.
How far have you gotten, Brian? Doesn't look like any.
It's basically turning matte white.
Oh, sexy.
From barely matte white.
Matte white and gold is a good color combination.
Get out for long.
And Otis, you're done sanding, aren't you?
Pretty much.
Yep.
Pretty much.
You did about the same thing I did. Scuff it up, it should take some paint.
Yeah.
And I've scuffed mine up. I think it'll take some paint now. Just gonna wipe it off with the towel and go. Oh yeah, gotta fix that. All right, it's been about an hour or so. Looks like Brian's got some blue lights.
Blue light special.
He's almost finished taping. Him and Otis have decided that they can just scrape the paint off the windows. I decided to give myself more work for no reason.
Yeah, you'll probably be happier in the end.
And I decided to do this. I did scuff it up a little bit, still looks shiny. Actually looks really cool with blue lights. And Otis is already doing the primer. He's the only one of us that's actually painting. Say hi, Otis.
Hello.
Oh, God. What are you doing? It's amazing. It's wonderful. It is a neon. Just have to do some finishing touches. And I'll be just fine.